we have this question to solve. It's another exponential equation sent to us by one of our subscribers based on the previous question we solved on the exponential equation. And the question says solve for x if 2 raised to the power open bracket 2x plus 1 close bracket minus 5 open bracket 2 raised to the power x close bracket plus 2 equals 0. This is an exponential equation that normally leads to quadratic equation. We are going to solve the question. Solution. Two power 2x plus 1 minus 5 open bracket 2 power x close bracket plus 2 equals 0. Equals 0. The first part, we can open it. 2 power 2x plus 1 using law of indices, law of addition. That will be 2 power 2x multiplied by 2 power 1. That means 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1 means 2 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. That's under law of addition in indices. We are going to replace this one with this. Two x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 minus 5 open bracket 2 raised to the power s close bracket plus 2 equals 0. Equals 0. Equals 0. Equals 0. We can separate this one and write it in form of 2 raised to the power x open bracket 2 close bracket times 2 raised to the power 1 minus 5 open bracket 2 raised to the power x close bracket plus 2 equals 0. You can say let 2 raised to the power x equals y. So that anyway we say 2 raised to the power x, we put y. Here become y power of 2. Here 2 power of 1 is the same thing as 2. 2 minus 5 open bracket y plus 2 equals 0. Equals 0. Now we have 2 times y squared will be 2y squared minus 5y plus 2 equals 0. That is quadratic equation. That is quadratic equation. That is quadratic equation. That is quadratic equation. We are going to solve it or look for the value of y. And how do we solve it? This times this. That's 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4, which is positive 4. We are looking for 2 factors. When we multiply the 2 factors together, it will give us positive 4. And when we add it together, it will give us minus 5. to give us minus 5. That is the coefficient of y. And the two possible factors are minus 4 and 1. Minus 4 and minus 1. Those are the two possible factors. We say minus 4 times minus 1, it will give us positive 4. If you say minus 4 plus minus 1, it will give us minus 5. That we are going to replace here with minus 4 and minus 1. We have 2y squared minus 4y minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Let's clean this place. Now from here now we are going up. Two y squared minus 4y minus y plus 2 equals 0. So that here 2 is common to our y. Then we'll bring 2y out. Remain y. That's 2y squared divided by 2y will give us y. 4y divided by 2y will give us minus 2. Close the bracket. That is 2y times y will give us 2y squared. 2y multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 4y. Minus 1 y minus 2 equals 0. Equals 0. Equals 0. That this and this together will be 2y minus 1, close bracket. We pick 1 out of this, that y minus 2 equals 0. Equals 0. So we can say 2y minus y equals 0 or y minus 2 equals 0. Now 2y equals 1 or y equals 2. Here we can say divide by 2. Now this one will cancel. Y equals 1 over 2 or y equals 2. Y equals 2. Y equals 2. That is not the final solution. That is not the final solution. That is not the final solution. Recall. 2 raised to the power x equals y. So, therefore, since we know the value of y, we substitute the value of y here. That we have 2 raised to the power x equals half. Or we can say, let's say if y equals half. Then 2 raised to the power x equals half. Equals half. Equals half. Equals half. Note, under negative index, under negative index, for instance, if you have 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 raised to the power 3, let's say we have something like this. Under negative this implies 2 raised to the power 2 minus 3. 2 raised to the power 2 minus 3. And this implies 2 raised to the power minus 1. And 2 raised to the power minus 1 in indices imply 1 over 2. 1 over 2 implies 1 over 2. Now we are going to replace half. We're going to replace half to be 2 raised to the power minus 1. Let's clean it. That's 2 raised to the power x equals 2 raised to the power minus 1. 2 raised to the power minus 1. 2 raised to the power minus 1. And since they have the same base, 2 and 2, it means the power are the same, meaning that x equals minus 1. S equals minus 1. S equals minus 1. Let's clean it up. Minus 1. From here, you can say x equals minus 1 because s equals minus 1. S equals minus 1. S equals minus 1. S equals minus 1. If y equals 2, then 2 raised to the power x equals 2. And the power of 2 here is 1. To make it an index number, since the base are the same, 2, 2, that means x equals 1. S equals 1. S equals 1. S equals 1. Therefore, it implies that the value of x, the value of x will either be -1 or +1. That is the value of y. That's the answer to the equation given to us. You can say that it's very simple. I will give you question here to solve. Use the knowledge of the previous video and this one and make your answer available at the comment section. I want you to share it to people so that they can benefit. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Brilliant Maths Tutor. Brilliant Maths Tutor. Brilliant Maths Tutor. Subscribe to it, share it, like it. Exercise. Solve for x. Solve for x. Solve for x. If 5 raised to the power 2x minus 26 open bracket 5 raised to the power x close bracket plus 25 equals 0. Look at the question and solve it. That's if you are given this one, I want you to solve the question and make the answer available at the comment section. I want you to share it, like it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can give you more of this. Thank you.